Today, we're going to learn how to trim videos with AI and Make.com. If you're an avid consumer of video content or you're a content creator, then you know that sometimes your video is probably a bit longer than it should be, especially if you've already gotten the information you're looking for and aren't looking to keep any extra fluff. Now, usually if you're looking to trim a video, you do it through a video editing software, a manual process that could take some time. But what if you could trim a video in minutes instead, and you don't have to do it manually? Today, we're going to show you how to do exactly that. Our first module is going to be the Airtable module, and our action is going to be the search records action. We'll be saving our original videos and the trimmed versions of our videos in Airtable, so we want to run a search of our base for the videos we've stored there. Our next module is going to be the Dumpling AI module, and our action is going to be the Trim Videos action. We're going to get our video URL from our Airtable module, but first let's run our Airtable module in order to reveal our attachment field. Now, we can map the attachment URL of our untrimmed video. For our timestamp, we're going to specify where we want our video to start and where we want it to end. For this demonstration, we want our video to start at the 11-second mark and end at the 3-minute, 11 seconds mark. Lastly, we're going to add another Airtable module, and our action is going to be the Update a Record action. We're going to update our Airtable base with our newly trimmed video. We're going to select our base, pick our table, and map our record ID from our previous Airtable module. We're going to update our trimmed video field, we'll open the attachment field, and for our file URL, we're going to map the trimmed video URL from our Dumpling AI module. We'll leave our file name blank, as Airtable will automatically create one for us. Let's head over to our Airtable base and make sure our trimmed video field is empty. We seem to be having some technical difficulties. Give us a few seconds. Now that we've confirmed that our trimmed video field is empty, let's head back over to Make and run our scenario. To recap, we're searching Airtable for videos we've saved, we're trimming those videos down with Dumpling AI, and we're saving our trimmed video back in Airtable. Our scenario has been successful. Let's head to our Airtable base and check it out for ourselves. And just like that, we have now trimmed our original video file. With this automation, you won't need to constantly trim videos manually. You can now sit back, relax, and let AI and Make.com do that for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.